Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stephanie from StephanieTHaul.com, and inside of today's video, I'm showing you how to make a delicious vegan chili. And what I love about this chili is that it's super quick and easy to make, and it's really flavorful and only requires a few simple ingredients that you can find pretty easily. Okay, so I'm not going to talk long. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need is a large pot. You just want to add a little bit of oil to the bottom of the pot and warm it, and then you want to add in your chopped onions and your finely minced garlic, and I'm using fresh garlic here. Then you just want to saute everything just for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is just coated and translucent, and then you want to add in the Beyond Meat, and I like using this one instead of the burgers, and then you just want to chop it up really finely. And I find that a spatula works best with this. So you want to do this for about 4 minutes or so. And then you want to add in your seasonings. And I'm going to put all the seasonings that I use in the description box below. But really quick, I'm using some sea salt, chili powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, a little bit of oregano, and like a pinch of cinnamon. Okay, so then you just want to make sure all of the Beyond Meat is coated. And then once you do that, then we want to add in our diced tomatoes. And again, I'm going to put exactly how much you need in the description box below. Then you want to mix all of that really well for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes or so. Then you want to add in your cooked kidney beans and some vegetable broth, and then tomato paste. And we're using the tomato paste here because it's going to help to thicken the chili. Okay, and then once you want to make sure everything is mixed in really well, and then you just want to cover it and cook it for 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes is up, you want to remove the lid and just stir it. If you want it a little bit thicker, you can cook it for a little bit longer, and that's it. Super quick and easy to make. Another thing that I like enjoying with the chili is the Follow Your Heart cheddar shreds. And you can use vegan guacamole, add some jalapenos, whatever you like. Okay, so as you can see, delicious, super quick, and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.